Okay, what is up YouTube? It's a game variant system day, and I'm going to be starting off the new challenge series that I promised you guys, I think a few days ago. But anyway, you guys said, but because challenges are like, they're like a benefit for me on this YouTube channel, so it's mainly challenges I'm doing. But one thing was clear, all the challenges, I'm going to be doing lots and lots of these, challenge videos. So today's video is going to be about pistols, and so what you can do is you can only pick up pistols. So what we're only allowed to do is we're allowed to pick up pistols. So I think I want to challenge myself and do this in squads. Actually, no, I'll probably do it in solo. So we're going to be landing up somewhere so we can get lots and lots of pistols. Because, like, we need them. We need that silenced pistol. We need the deagles. Come on, deagle. But I'm going to, like, sometimes do, like, ARs only and stuff. And, like, shotguns only. That would just be insane. Shotguns only. Oh, maybe shotguns and snipers. That'll probably be it. But anyway, we are still going to do this challenge today. I am really excited because I have never tried out a challenge before in my life in Fortnite. So it'll be a new experience for me, and on this channel it'll be a new experience for you guys. Remember to check out Lachlan's channel because he gave me the idea to do all these challenges. And yeah, so we're going to be doing this challenge today. I have a feeling I want to head to Sunny Steps. Actually, I'm going to head here. But I'm only allowed to use a pickaxe and pistols. My one restriction of pickaxe and pistols. So if we head all the way down on here, I hope I find a pistol. Come on, please give me a pistol. So it's heavy up. I'm not allowed to pick it up. So painful. What pain. I'm not allowed to pick any other weapon up except pistols. But the thing is, I'm allowed to loot other. Oh no, I'm not allowed to pick that up. Crap. Sorry. I'm not allowed to pick you up, am I? It's unfortunately annoying. So I hope there's a pistol in there. Please. Nope. Okay, I think I'm allowed stink bombs and stuff, so that is allowed. But things like pistols and stuff. But any other weapon isn't allowed, like, so only the thing like explosives and stuff are allowed. So this is, as my Mr. Cole call it, and Coldad. We call this Jurassic Park. I don't know why. But I'll take that just in case, so I can fill my inventory up with anything else. It didn't say I would delete that. Okay, never mind. Anyway. So this is sweaty, because I have no other. Am I allowed to use turrets? I don't know. Anyway guys, just to update you on all new Fortnite news, the turrets are going to be vaulted according to Code Dud. All the turrets shall be vaulted. I have no idea why. Please don't ask me questions of why they're being vaulted, because I honestly do not know. But I think it's because, but I'm going to say this now, I think they're getting vaulted because of people camping with them and then just like coming in and just using all of them. And you know, when you're like, people wait for people to walk through the door and then they just spam them with turrets, like on YouTube videos. Anyway, back to the pistol topic. We have found no pistols, and it's starting to really piss me off, because pistols are piss. Okay, sorry. Anyway, another slurp juice, which is annoying, because these things are usually really rare, and I still have not found one single pistol. I haven't even found a grey pistol. What the hell? Okay, this is getting triggering. This is getting very, very triggering. For the pistol in Jurassic, there is not one pistol in this place, which is pretty damn annoying. So I'm gonna rush over and see if I can try and get a kill, because people may have a pistol, like a deagle or something. Okay, so this was the first stop. So I do not know if people are here or not. Nobody landed here. Wow, just wow. And there's still no pistol on my side. Lucky's not on my side today. Where is? Guys, this video may be cut short. So yeah. I can't do part 2. Finally! After that long, it took me that long to find a pistol. Some pistols. Dualies. That's probably like saved my life right now. Okay, I'm gonna rush and try and get some kills to look for that deal and that suppressed scar, but I mean not suppressed scar, I mean suppressed pistol, but hey. Okay, so I right now cannot see anyone. Yep, there's something there. Hello. It may be low on ammo, but it's still part of the pistol challenge. I'm still allowed to hold it, so yeah. Okay, so we're gonna be heading. Look, come on. Oh. Why is there no pistol? It's triggering. I'm gonna have to go. Like, at least there's a pistol here, so. Oh god, Fortnite is lagging, guys, so sorry if it lags. I hate this, and especially when it is in a YouTube video. I'm very happy with it to do it in normal matches, but not during YouTube videos, because now I'm gonna get killed in the storm, and it is so annoying. Okay, so YouTube, because Fortnite has now decided to go, you guys know how to play this challenge. Actually, I think I'm gonna keep going until 13 to 14 minutes. So you guys still with me? Finally. Into the poo. Come on. I hope that I can literally just... No. At least I have lots of meds with me. I'm invincible. I'm gonna be invincible right now. So I'm good right now. So for the minute, I'm pretty good. It's only gonna last for a few seconds. Come on, it's fighting. It's about to wear off, so. Come on. Oh, this. Come on. Okay, let's go. I don't see anyone. Lots of people landed at Polar. Because look, over there, there's like so much building. It's like been a build battle over there. So I have to head all the way over, down the river, to next to Tilted Towers. There is fighting right behind me. I want to rush it. But I'm gonna risk the drift boards, just so. Why is Fortnite so laggy? So I have made it into the 14th place with this. Oh, the fighting isn't at Polar Peak. It's at freaking Tilted Towers. I'm gonna rush into Tilted Towers. So YouTube, if I don't get the chance to say goodbye at the end, remember to smash that subscribe button and smash that like button if you haven't already. Because you know every time there's gonna be a challenge or like a new weekly challenge. Yo. They're kind of trash. Like, I'm lagging. Yo, okay, that was the third party. So YouTube, anyway, like and subscribe because every time there's a challenge, I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. But until next time, ooh, a legendary scar. Goodbye!